Alright, check this out. We got a package from Brandon B. I know exactly what it is. Oh yeah. That looks clean. Shout out to Brandon B. You're the man. I'm gonna put this on right now. This thing looks clean. Shout out to Brandon B. If anyone else needs merch or anything, go to Brandon B on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram in the description. Huge shout out to him. And keep it up. It gets so freaking tiring moving all of this into my car every single day. Let's go. Check this stuff out. It's supposedly dry erase tape. I want to see how it works. It's good. That's gonna make labeling locations so much easier. Alright. So today we are going to, I'm gonna try and hit up 9 locations, but you know how it went the other day in my last video where I only hit up 6. So we're gonna continue where we left off from the last video. So we're gonna start with those 3 that we missed in the last one, and this is the next day from when the last one was filmed, so it should be a pretty busy day. Hopefully it's smooth sailing. And I spent a lot on Sam's the other day. I spent like $200 at Sam's, so I shouldn't really have to go to Sam's today, and if I do, it should be for like one thing. So yeah, hope everyone's having a good day, and see you guys at the first location. Alright, the chips in the back of my truck are like flying everywhere. I gotta pull over. These ones. Alright, some of them are sitting cockpit and back seat, and I threw a strap over. So we'll see how it goes now. Alright, first stop of the day. This is a 1-week collection. See how we do. Alright, the next location's right around the corner, 4 minutes away, so we'll be in and out of there real quick, and then the one after that is literally right next door to it. So 3 locations and about an hour. So I just collected from the second location. I didn't film inside because it was super busy in there. Alright, so location number 3 was a 1-week collection. Here it is. Not bad. On to location 4. 5. Gonna see how she does. Alright, it's 2:54 right now, and I'm about to head to the 6th location. I might make it to 7, but I don't know. Alright, so we just got home. I just got home. And we went to 6 locations today, and I'm going to give you the totals right now. Okay, so this is location number 1, and it was a 1-week collection.
Where's all the glue?
That was $48 flat. 1-week collection. This is the 2nd location we went to, and this is also 1 week. So location number 2 is $54.95. 1-week collection. Location number 3, 1-week collection. Alright, location number 3 after 1 week did $60.05. Alright, this is location number 4 after 1 week. Location number 4 did $47.40. This is location number 5, and this was also a 1-week collection. Location number 5 did $69.15 in 1 week. This is the last location, location number 6, after a 1-week collection. And this is actually the first time I've collected from it also. Location number 6 did $58.75. And that was all. So now let's add it up and see how much we made today. And also, I didn't go to Sam's Club at all today. So this is all going to be pretty much all profit. Yesterday, if you watched the last video, I went to Sam's Club and I spent like $200, and then I made like $230 that day. Gosh. Alright, so for a grand total today, we made $338.20. Yep, so that's it for today. $338.20 today, and we made what, $230 yesterday?
560.
Like $560, almost $600 these last 2 days, and we spent about $200 on product. That's about, say, $300 profit. So we went to 6 locations in the last video, 6 locations today, and I need to go to more locations tomorrow and the next day through this whole week. So this is 12 locations, and 90% of them were actually 1-week collections, which is pretty good. A couple of them were 2-week collections in my last video, but today's video, all of them were 1-week collections, and we made $338 off of 6 locations. $338 divided by 6 averages about $56 a location today. That's happy. If I'm making $50 or over a week, I'm happy. I'd say it was a solid day today. Alyssa's gonna have fun counting the money. And yeah, we've still got about 20 more locations to go to. So yeah, stay posted. More content is on the way.